Okay, here we go. Right faster. So we have trapezoid TO and Y with median AC. Any ideas how to solve for X? Shay.
Set 4x minus 10 plus 3x plus, wait, hold up, half of 4x plus 10 plus 3x plus 8 equals 13.
Yes. But I want to set this up a little bit different. Okay? We said that the length of the median, in this case AC, is equal to half the sum of the bases, correct? Guys, focus. What are my bases? So TO plus NY. Okay? Remember, this is what we call the geometric equation. A lot of you guys skip this and say, okay, I don't know how to set this up. It's because you're skipping the geometric equation. Use the properties to write the geometric equation, and then it becomes really easy to know where to put things. What's the length of AC?
AC is 13.
13. Equals half of, what's TO?
TO is 4x minus 10
Plus,
3x 8.
okay, so then I've got 13 is equal to half of 7x minus 2. Okay, now, before we go further, what would you normally do at this point?
You would add 2. Or,
Yeah, you would distribute the 1/2, right?
yeah.
Yeah, the problem is that now gives us a fraction with the x, right? You can't really take 7 halves. It makes things a little bit more difficult. Here's something that you can do. You are multiplying by 1/2, correct?
Yes.
Did you get rid of that?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and how did you do that? What did you have to do? Multiply by 2 over 1. So you multiply both sides by that, and that will cancel out the 1/2, and now I don't have to worry about fractions.
That's small. Now you add 2.
Okay, so 28
24.
equals 7x.
And then
That's easier.
24. And the answer is 4.
So a lot of times when you guys have the half out in front, you don't necessarily have to distribute that. Get rid of it first. Okay, sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't, but in this case, it actually made our job easier. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Say that again? Well, if it, okay, now that's where you have to read the problem. Okay, all the problem I say was find x, so we're done there. If it said, what is the length of NY? Take 4, plug it in. So you have to read the directions on that. I'm going to go ahead and skip this problem. And I want to go back to here. I want to keep practicing with this a little more. Good job. Okay. Guys, find MN if WZ is 11 and XY is 3. And what is MN?
Cycling a loop.
It's the median.
Yeah.
How do you find the length of the median?
Add the 2 bases together.
Add the 2 bases, divide by 2. So MN is XY plus WZ all over 2. Alright, so MN is what?
3 plus 11 over 2, which is 4 equals 7.
And wow, that was difficult.
Yeah, that was a little hard, Mr. Thomas.
Dude, you know something already?
Brandon.
Alright, guys, here we go. Here's a good question for you. If XMN is, or find XMN if WZN is 78.
Maybe 78.
Why? Yeah, if you notice right here at the very beginning, what type of trapezoid do we have? Isosceles trapezoid, which means what?
That N, X, Y is parallel to Y, WZ.
Well, that's the fact that it's a trapezoid. Tells us the diagonals are true. What else?
Which makes it angles.
Base angles are equal. So therefore, W and Z are the same measure. So if WZN is 78, what does that make in W?
78 times.
Now, because it's a trapezoid, WZ and XY are parallel.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
what about MN?
It'd be half.
It's half the sum of the bases.
Yes.
Is it parallel to my bases?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's something else you guys might want to remember, that the median is parallel to the bases. So if this is 78, what is that angle?
78.
Why? Corresponding angles. So that equals 78 by corresponding angles. Okay. I want you guys to do these. Do we get enough of this? Are we pretty good?
Yeah.
You guys get it?
Good.
Yeah.
All right, we're done.
Two.
Okay.